I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the moon.
Hey you, how you doing? How you doing? My name is Lyric Rochester, and this look is another installation of my Halloween look. I'm sorry it's going up so late today. So the glue I use is a very cheap, stupid dollar store glue. I get a pack of them for $1, so it really didn't hold on my brows. So I pasted on my brows with that, and then I went in with my LA Colors color corrector, and I color corrected, and then I just blended it up with my beauty blender. I use my Sasha foundation for my all over face, and now I'm going in with my LA Pro conceal, my LA Pro concealing fan, and I'm low lighting with my Fenty Beauty coffee bean. And I'm also setting everything with my the highlighted areas with my Sasha Buttercup. Now this is what I typically do, which is why I'm just brushing past it, and then I set my face with my Shana powder. So now I'm going in with the palette, and I layered the colors for this look. I layered all the colors. So everything I went in with, I started with a lighter color, then I went up to the darkest color. And I liked how it came out. It came out really nice and blended. It wasn't that harsh black. It looked very nice and blended, and I loved the look. So of course, I'm only showing you one side, but I did this for all over the perimeters of my face. I'm talking my forehead, my my jawline as well, and my chin, and I did the same thing for my nose. So I just went in with a lighter color to a darker color, and I recommend going in with warm colors because I find that the warm colors look really nice. So now, because I had gone so far down with the black, with the darker colors, I just went in with my Sasha Buttercup to kind of set it a little bit so it lightens up that area some more and also add more dimension to my face. Now, as I said, the same thing I did for my face, the same thing I'm doing for my nose. I just went in from the lightest to the darkest. Now, you can stop at whatever point you want to. This truly depends on your intensity, how you want the look to appear. Now, my brows are my least favorite part of this video. I struggled on how to do my brows, and then I was like, my girl, you could have done your regular brows, but just hella overarched. I mean, or just some sexy, seductive brows, but I did this clown madness, which is why I hit it with my big necklace / headpiece in the beginning of the video as well as at the end of the video. The eyeliner gel I'm using is from Inglot, and it's the Inglot number 77 eyeliner gel. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette from the collab she did with Morphe. This is her palette. So now I'm going in with an like a warm color, and I'm going to go in right from my the socket on my eyes there to kind of deepen it a bit. Wow, you guys, the thunder is so scary. It's raining now. I'm sorry. This is a voiceover. So I'm going with a very dark green, and then I'm going to go in with this light green on top just to kind of blend out the edges of that dark green. No, I don't know. I mean, this palette is perfect if you want to use transitional colors in it. But it is not good for all over the lid, and I don't want to speak badly of it because it's another YouTuber, you know, and I mean, apart from her getting her coins or whatever, I mean, she's a person, and this is something that she has slaved over for 2 years, she has said, but this palette was just not doing for me, but I grab it for the transitional colors. So the white base that I use is from Shades by Gal, and it's light. It's their shadow base in light, and I'm just going in with different greens. So like a lighter green, and then a darker green, medium green, so on and so forth. So that's what I did. That's what I'm doing, and I did the cut crease that's now madding the world. Like I call it the Instagram cut crease because I first saw it on Instagram. I learned about it through Instagram, so I call it the Instagram cut crease, but it's just another cut crease variation. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just doing greens because it's greed, and so I chose to go the rich, wealthy greed route. Now I will say this: in order for this look to pop, honey, I really suggest you go ahead and get you some accessories. The accessories will definitely make it look pop. So I'm going back in with the Inglot eyeliner gel in 77, and I'll be doing my wing and another double wing. I'm speeding this up because this part I just decided to do last minute, and it's that inner wing close to my nose. Yo, that inner wing gave me so much problem. I edited out everything. It gave me so much problem, but to fix it, I just used my concealer and clean up the edges where I needed to. I want to take this time to remind you guys of my makeup classes in December 7th through to the 9th in Tamarack, Florida. If you want more information, if you want to register, visit my website. And I also want to tell you guys about my Jamaican classes here in Jamaica, 2018, February 9th to the 11th. You can register again on my Lyric Rochester website, lyricrochester.com website. So I'm taking Blackout from Gabriella's Cosmetics. It's a Jamaican owned company. Shout out to my husband. So I'm wearing that on my lips. And what is, oh, I'm going to fold my lips in and just pounce over it with my brush just to get the edges looking very nice and sharp. See? Cleaned up. So I'm taking Trophy Wife, and Trophy Wife will be my glow. Trophy Wife or any other glow that you have is like this, like with this green hue or whatever that's in it. Bobo, it works like a dream. Yo, this highlight set the look off, hunty. Okay, this set it off, honey. Like, I'm talking about set it off part 2, the sequel, set it off forever. You know what I'm saying? Like, it really turned to the look all the way up, and I love it. I love it. I love it. So the lashes that I'll be wearing are from my lash line. They're fashionista, but they're sold out. But any nice dramatic lashes that you have, it would be perfect for this look. Yeah, perfect for this look. Don't forget, please, guys, to follow me on Instagram, Lyric Rochester, my Snapchat, Lyric Rochester, and the Twitter, Lyric Rochester. And this is basically the look, you guys. This is it. I ate this. I ate this. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to subscribe. I mean, you don't have to, but you know, it would be nice. It would be nice for you to subscribe to me and such. Big up, Rihanna online, Jackie online. Big up everybody. Yeah, you are. And Gabriella's Cosmetics as well. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye later.
And we'll never be royal.